Okay, I want to show you how to get into your team to video with your teachers and classmates during a class time or during those office hours. You're going to want to use Chrome. This will not work very well in Firefox, so you're going to want to use Chrome. If your screen comes up like this and doesn't have the intranet page, you can Google search the MEMS intranet to get to it. It's intranet with an A, and it'll find it. So you're going to go to your student email, and you've probably already logged into your student email, and there's where you get your email at. But we're going to go to Teams. When clicking on Teams, and then you're going to have a list of all of your teams that you are a part of. So this is Miller's: reading, science, math, tech, social studies. You will have one labeled all fifth grade. All fifth grade is where you're going to go during office hours. If you have a question, you will want to click on that all fifth grade team during Mrs. Wilson's office hours, Mrs. Ingalls, mine, Mrs. Solano's, anytime. That's where you can click on the all fifth grade, and then click on the video camera down here, and we're going to allow that. And there I am. Hi. And you'll click Meet Now, and that's going to put you into this team video to where now you can ask questions or have a discussion. Okay? Looks like it froze there for a second. This is where the people are, who's in it right now. Right now it's just Miller. This is where if you hit Show Conversation, I could start a chat. This being like as Miller. And this could be, like I said, for any teacher during those office hours is this team. I'm going to hang up now and go over here back to Teams. This is again the all fifth grade team. Go back. If you're meeting like with your reading class or your math class, maybe your teacher's setting up a certain time, they want your reading class to get together. You're going to go to that reading class, and again, the video camera sets you up for that team video chat. So that is how you get into Microsoft Teams to do a video chat with your teacher and classmates.